So friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you let's important updates about Bitcoin. This is another dog theme meme coin on Solana chain. Okay friends, so you can see a dog theme meme coin on Solana chain just like Bonk, But you can see smart cap is just $38 million and still this meme coin is not listed on any major central exchange, but friends, you can see last 24-hour trading volume is $15.3 million. This is amazing. So that's the reason, that's why maybe it's possible that this meme coin can be the next $1 billion market cap meme coin, just like Bonk. And it's also possible that we can see smart cap in $1 billion. So video is be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete video here. So France Black current price $2.038, it up almost 3% here. In last 14 days jumped by 5%, last 7 days jumped by 22% here, but in last 30 days pumped by almost 77% here. So performance from this meme coin is somehow good. $38 million market cap, this is good friends. And trading volume is I'll show you almost 1 billion coin supply all in circulation, and other Solana ecosystem meme coin we are 83% down the all-time high. Okay, 83% down the all-time high. There were 5 months ago there was $0.23, from where we are 166% up only. Okay, so coin has nearly, we can say, on its all-time low. So maybe it's also possible that we can see its new all-time high also in coming few weeks or in coming few months. These are some central exchanges where this listed. MEXC has listed, and Bitget, Coinex, XT.com, Get.io has listed, Lbank has listed. In fact, these are some Solana dexes also that has listed this coin. CoinW, Bitmart has listed. So still lots of central exchange listing left for this meme coin, because it's still not KuCoin here, not Crypto.com, Bybit, Binance here. But friends, as this meme coin looking very good, its trading volume is good, market cap is good, last 30 days performance is somehow good. So it's possible that we can see this Solana dog to be the next big meme coin, and we can see its major central exchange listing also. And friends, you can check out all further details on their website also. You can see here, okay, it's all details about this meme coin, its contract address here, and make your own play meme here. You can also create your meme by clicking here. Okay, and your meme will be added here. So this is good. No doubt website looking good. So friends, now my price prediction about Bitcoin is that its current market cap is $38 million, but it's still we not see a massive mega bull run in meme coins. No doubt recently BTC hit $100,000. That was a long-term dream for every crypto lover, but still altcoins and meme coins are not pumped too much here, because friends, you can see this meme coin is also at 3% down. Shiba Inu is still down the all-time high. Floki has still not touched its all-time high. So many meme coins still not goes on their all-time highs there. But in next year mega bull run, okay, I'm not talking in short term this meme coin, but if you wanna buy this meme coin for long term, at least 8 to 12 months from here, then this meme coin can give you a good return here. At that time, maybe many central exchanges will list this coin, and we can see smart cap in $1 billion here. And it's also possible that we can see no doubts new all-time highs. Previous all-time high was $0.23, but this time this new all-time high can be on $1 also. It's also possible that Bitcoin hit $1 price here, and in next year mega bull run, it's really possible that we can see its market up to $1 billion here, maybe $1 to $2 billion or maybe more, because Solana coin have massive hype in this bull run after Bonkino launched on Solana chain. Right now, Solana chain has the highest hype in crypto market for meme coin, and this meme coin has potential to be the next Bonkino coin, because Bonk is right now in $1 billion market, and this meme coin has just $38 million market. But this meme coin has no doubt potential to be the next big meme coin, because you can see last 24-hour trading volume is $15.3 million. This is awesome, already listed on more than 15 central exchanges. So these are something that are good about this meme coin. I'm already holding this on MEX exchange, but if you're also making investment in this meme coin, make sure to do your own research and then invest here.